I know you are planning to study abroad. Why to spend a lot of money if you have good opportunity to study in Italy, Europe for free with 100% scholarship based admission in top most public universities of Italy, Europe at just rupees 25,599 by getting assistance of World for You Education Abroad team.
Hello everyone, my name is Pragati. I'm from Nasik, Maharashtra. I'm pursuing my Masters in International Tourism and Management in Italy.
Hello everyone, my name is Swaraj Sorte. I am from Maharashtra. I am currently pursuing my Masters in Transportation Design at IIAD, which is in Turin, Italy. While starting my study abroad journey, I took help of World U Education Abroad.
My name is Zaid Sheikh, and I've done my bachelor's in mechatronics engineering, and I have got admission in master's in mechatronics engineering in Politecnico di Torino, which is one of the best colleges in Italy.
The services that you will get by World for You Education Abroad team, your end-to-end assistant throughout your whole university application process, which including impressive recommendation letter, impressive motivation letter, university interview preparation, your entire university application documentation process. Second, scholarship assistance, scholarship documentation process, scholarship application process with assured 100% scholarship based admission in top most public universities of Italy. Third, visa assistance, your strong visa covering letter, visa sponsorship, your flight ticket bookings, visa interview preparation, everything is included in World for You Education Abroad team assistance process. So what are you waiting for, guys? You have to enroll now, right now, because admission has been started for September 24 intake. For more information, contact now.